All you have to do is log on to this brand new website which I've never talked about before. Set it up as I've shown you in this video and then relax while making money in the process again and again. Today guys, not only will I show you how to get paid online in passive income, but I will also show you other people doing the same thing and how you can replicate what they're doing and get paid even more money. So stay tuned to find out how. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. So the website we will be using today guys is none other than OfferVault.com. Now, if you don't know what that is, OfferVault is basically an affiliate marketplace where you can find hundreds of thousands of different offers to promote. And whenever you refer someone to a certain offer, you'll get paid. Now, one particular type of offer this site has, which is also the reason we want to use it, is the CPA offer. Now, CPA stands for cost per action. And what this means is that a person you refer to an offer doesn't need to spend any money in order for you to get paid. And this is why we want to use them, as convincing someone to sign up is way easier than purchase something. Did you already know about this website before? If yes, kindly comment down below what offers you searched. Now, depending on the offer you're promoting, you will get paid more or less. Some offers pay like $2 per lead, while some pay like $50 per lead. So it all depends on what you are promoting. With all of that said, you first want to sign up on this website before you can start promoting anything. And as such, you want to click on register up right here. On the next page, you want to enter your first and last names, your email address, password, select the country you live in, and by the way, when you click here, you will see that this does work worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you're coming from. Anyhow, to finish the process and create your account, just click on submit now right down here. Now, once you have your account, you obviously want to find an offer to promote. To do so, you want to click on categories right here and then select CPA, since after all, we are looking for CPA offers in particular. And from there, you want to pick one of these offers here, and here's a tip. Make sure that the offer you want to promote is available worldwide, since you don't want offers just available in the US, for example, as that substantially limits the amount of traffic you can get and thus the amount of money. Now, with that said, I found an offer that I would highly recommend you to pick. This one right here guys, and as you can see, this is the CPA offer and it will pay us $95 per lead, which is one of the highest paid offers I've ever seen. Because think about it, you're getting paid at $95 for just someone signing up, and that is insane. Furthermore, as you can see here, it's available in 251 countries around the globe, so our traffic isn't limited to a certain country. Now, as you can see, this is an affiliate offer about a drone website, and why we want to focus and promote this particular type of offer is because I have a way for you to get a lot of traffic, and I will actually show you people doing this same thing we will be doing and making a ton of money online. So you will have proof that this actually works and will actually get you paid. And once again, you want to keep in mind that people don't need to purchase a drone from this particular site for you to get paid. They literally just need to sign up for free, and whether or not they purchase anything from here doesn't change the fact that you'll get paid $95. Now, with all that said, since you will now also have an account, you want to grab an affiliate link to this particular offer. In order to do so, simply click on run offer right down here, and what happens from there is you will be taken to the actual network that is promoting this offer, where you'll need to sign up for free. The network in question is called Affiliates. Now, I won't walk you through this process since it's different for every offer you're promoting, and since I know you will be able to sign up yourselves without my help anyhow. With that done, since you now have the offer you want to promote and the affiliate link, you now need a traffic source. And that traffic source will be YouTube, guys. But before you get discouraged, hear me out. I will show you a way to get views for your YouTube video. I mean real views and thousands of them. So you can make a lot of money promoting that offer I showed you beforehand. And furthermore, you will not have to show your face on camera or record anything or whatsoever. And as I said in the beginning, there are people doing this exact same thing and getting paid quite nicely, so keep watching and you won't regret it. Now with that said, since we are promoting a drone website, we will obviously want drone videos. And so the type of videos we will want to create should be along the lines of best drones in 2021 or best drones for the price and so on. Now here's one video I opened up and check this out. These videos were not filmed by the channel owner. What this person did was download various clips online and compiled them into a single video. And then he uploaded onto video. So as I promised you, you will not be recording anything. Now here's the best part about this. Take a look at what I'll find in the description box below. These are affiliate links to the drones shown in the video. So this person is basically making money in passive income with the video that he didn't even have to record. Here's another video I found. And this one is more recent too. And not only it made in the same fashion, but once again, we can find affiliate links to all the drones shown in the said video in the description box below. So as you can see, there are people doing this out there and making a ton of money. But this should serve as proof that this is indeed a legit way to get paid. But here's the thing, they are promoting drones from Amazon and then has two major flaws. First off, Amazon offers outright abysmal commissions, which are 10% at most, but can go as low as 1% for certain offers. Secondly, and more importantly though, people need to purchase the drones in the description in order for the owner of the channel to get paid. Meanwhile, in our case, people just need to sign up for free on the drone website in order for us to literally get $95 just like that. And so as you can see, you have a huge potential here to earn a lot of money by making these types of drone videos, and as you've seen, they do get thousands of views. Now there's a software I would highly recommend you to check out in order to boost your views. This one is called VFly, the link of which I left in the description box below. This software you can use to boost the number of views on any YouTube videos. And no, you won't be purchasing views or whatsoever. As you can see below, they are using AdWords to promote your videos to the right audience. So you'll use VFly here to bring people who are interested in drone videos to your own video and who might click on that link you have in the description and earn you $95 every single time they do so. And since it's such a big amount of money, you only need 100 people to sign up to that site in order for you to earn $9,500 just like that. Now, as you may guess, this is a paid software indeed, but I think it's well worth it because you can earn so much money per single sign up. And for those of you wondering about VFly's legitimacy, you want to go over to trustpilot.com and check out the reviews, and you'll find out it has a rating of 4 stars. So it's definitely a legit website to get your views on your YouTube video. And here's the best part about this, guys. Once you upload that video and promote it, your work is essentially done. Just leave the affiliate link in your description and get paid $95 again and again from there. Obviously, using VFly is optional, but if you do have a bit of money to spare, I highly recommend you to do so. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.